Built on the industry-leading Microsoft Cloud Platform, mfg360 is a comprehensive solution purpose-built for the manufacturing industry. It helps modernize operations with intelligent automation, delivering real-time performance insights and improving service delivery to your customers. mfg360 can help put your customers first with streamlined operations and data you can trust. mfg360 extends the power of the Microsoft Cloud Platform with pre-built industry solutions for your unique requirements. Solutions include advanced supply chain management, graphical planning and scheduling, rental management, service management, repair center, demand-driven MRP, multi-entity financial management, supplier relationship management, ESG and sustainability, and DNA accelerator for manufacturing. mfg360 allows you to gain a 360-degree view of your organization, anytime, from any location, on any device. With AI-infused apps, deep data and analytics capabilities, and modern workplace tools, you can harness the power of Microsoft to drive automation, real-time actionable insights, and deliver results. Explore what's possible for your organization and schedule a demo today.